Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to create your own WhatsApp link, updated and simplified so anyone can do it in just a few seconds. Whether you want to share your number for business, customer chats, or just to make connecting easier, this method will save you time and look super professional. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so everything runs smoothly. Once you're inside the app, choose any chat. This can be your own saved chat, a friend, or anyone you'd like to test with. Now it's time to create your link. In the message box, type exactly this: way.me/ followed by your country code and phone number. Next, once you've written your link correctly, go ahead and tap send. You'll notice the text instantly becomes a clickable link. When someone taps it, they'll be directed straight to a WhatsApp chat with that phone number. No need to save a contact first. This is super handy for personal profiles, websites, social media bios, or business pages. You can even combine it with a short message by adding text followed by your custom message. For instance, you could create a link that automatically says, "Hi, I'm interested in your services," when someone clicks it. It's a small detail, but it takes your communication a step further. And that's it, your WhatsApp link is ready to go. Try it out today and make connecting faster and easier for anyone who wants to reach you. If you found this tip helpful, keep exploring more quick tutorials like this to make your online presence smarter and smoother.